You like the tickle machine, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. Have you got any problems with your back, Patrick?
I have. So do you smack my back?
Yep. So you've got a sore there and you want me to smack your back?
No.
No.
You're saying Dylan.
I'll crack your back.
Yeah.
Ah, crack your back. Yeah, well, we can only fix it if there's something wrong. If there's nothing there, we can't do anything. And I actually think you're pretty good. I don't think your back's very sore. Is it?
Good.
Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's been okay?
He's been okay.
Yeah. I'm not finding anything. I think you're alright, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't need any adjustments.
No, that's
Are you
good.
going to help Dr. Ian fix Daddy's back? Or do you
Yeah.
want-
Can you feel it?
Yeah, they hit his neck one day.
Did his neck? Yeah.
Then he had to pick me up.
He didn't pick you up with a sore neck. Can you put a mark here? Put a line on Daddy there. Yeah, right there. And put a line. Good boy. When you get bigger,
Yeah.
are you going to be a chiropractor like me?
Yeah.
He's actually looking at the needle. He's. I think it's Clarence Gonstead, reincarnated.
That's the break on there.
Yeah, that's the break on there. Put your line there.
I will.
Good boy. Daddy's got a sore hip.
Yeah. Let's put him on
There's no
there.
sore.
Oh, let's put him on there. Good idea.
I will put this over here.
Good boy.
It's your associate.
Do you understand? Hey, Patrick, do you know what this is called?
Yeah. And then it's good to my phone and a telescope at my house.
Stethoscope too.
Yeah.
You've got everything. Can you say sphygmomanometer? Good boy. Put some action in. That's it. You do that side and I'll do this side. Bit more weight on him. Pull him a bit harder. Pull him over. That's it. Little bit more weight. That's it. Beautiful. High five, man. We fixed him.
We have to get you over here. Then we need on
We need a patient first. Push.
Mummy.
This
He's got the whole thing.
Good.
And push it in. Good.
Thanks, darling.
That's it. That was your son's hand. Got her, mate?
Yeah.
Good boy. You hold her. Got your leg up.
Thank you, sweetheart.
See you later, buddy.